Do not use 3 by 3 for different neck measurements. 3 by 3 is a standard measurement, but as you all know, neck measurements differ. That is why you can't choose it for everyone. Take for example, someone with a neck size 15 and another with a neck size 18. The standard measurements will not fit well for both persons, so I will teach you the right calculations that works for every neck measurement. First of all, how you take the neck measurements is very important. I'll use this dummy to explain how to measure accurately. When taking your measurements, don't take your reading from the top, because the upper part of the neck is often smaller than the lower part. Also, when you are taking this measurement, don't make it tight for ease sake. Secure your tape loosely around the lower neck region and ensure one of your fingers can fit through the tape. That's 14. As you can see, it is not too tight, neither is it too loose. Next is how to determine the neck depth and the neck width. The neck depth is a point from your shoulder to your neckline. Wherever you want your neckline to end is your neck depth. Then your neck width is from those points to the other points on your shoulder. For the neck depth, divide the neck circumference by 6. Remember, this dummy has 14 inches as its circumference. That is, 14 divided by 6 is approximately 2.3 inches. Measure and mark 2.3. For the neck width, divide the neck circumference by 5.5. So 14 divided by 5.5 gives 2.54, and so on. Measure and mark on the neck width space. Afterwards, connect both points with a curved line. Next is the back measurement. It has the same neck width but different neck depth. The neck depth is 1 inch. Connect with a curved line after you have measured it out. I'm going to flip the paper for convenience. Place your tape this way and measure. It gave me 4 inches. I'm going to measure the back. Don't forget that this is on fold, so whatever you get, multiply it by 2. The back gave me 3 inches. So that will be 4 times 2 equal to 8, and 3 times 2 equal to 6. Then 8 plus 6 equals to 14. You can see how easy it is to calculate this. When you draft yours, make sure you add seam allowance too. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and if you have questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.